Welcome to Headphone News, Science and Technology Edition for Saturday, February 22nd, 2025.
Chinese universities embrace AI education. Chinese universities are embracing the future by launching new artificial intelligence courses inspired by the innovative startup DeepSeek. This initiative, announced on February 21, 2025, aims to enhance scientific and technological education in China, the world's second-largest economy. The government is prioritizing innovation in education to create exciting opportunities for students. DeepSeek, based in Hangzhou, has developed groundbreaking AI models that have impressed tech leaders in Silicon Valley. Shenzhen University is introducing a course focused on key technologies, security, privacy, and ethics in AI, while Zhejiang University is offering specialized courses based on DeepSeek's technology. Shanghai Jiaotong University is integrating DeepSeek into its learning tools, and Renmin University of China is enhancing its teaching and research with this technology. In January 2025, the Chinese government unveiled its first national action plan to build a strong education nation by 2035, aiming for a top-tier education system. This plan underscores the vital role of AI in shaping the future of education and technology in China, highlighted by a significant meeting between DeepSeek's founder Liang Wenfeng and President Xi Jinping, along with leaders from Alibaba.
Chinese tech stocks soar on positive earnings. Chinese tech stocks are on fire. On February 21, 2025, stocks listed in Hong Kong skyrocketed, marking their best week in 5 years. The Hang Seng Tech Index jumped 6.5%, hitting a 3-year high and leading to 6 weeks of continuous growth. This surge was fueled by strong earnings from major players like Alibaba, whose stock soared 14.6% after reporting impressive revenue. Lenovo also saw a significant rise of over 15%, while Xiaomi reached a record high with a 5.2% increase. Investors are feeling even more confident thanks to the launch of a new AI model called DeepSeek, which has reignited interest in the Chinese market. Analysts from HSBC suggest that a recent meeting between President Xi Jinping and business leaders, including Jack Ma, could signal a shift in government policy, easing regulatory pressures. With the broader Hang Seng Index advancing by 4% and the Chinese equity markets gaining over $1.3 trillion in just 1 month, the future looks bright for tech investments in China.
SpaceX launches 23 Starlink satellites. On February 21, 2025, SpaceX captured attention by launching 23 Starlink satellites from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. This thrilling mission marked the 450th flight of the Falcon 9 rocket, a trusted choice for satellite deployment. The Starlink project aims to close the gap in internet access, delivering high-speed internet to underserved areas around the world. With this launch, SpaceX continues to lead in connecting remote regions, showcasing its innovative spirit. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, the company has revolutionized the space industry with initiatives like Starlink. The successful deployment of these satellites will greatly enhance connectivity for users globally, unlocking new educational and economic opportunities. Imagine a world where everyone has access to fast internet. This is the future SpaceX is striving for, impacting communities and businesses alike.
Apple ends advanced data protection in the UK. Apple has decided to end its advanced data protection feature in the UK, responding to government requests for access to user data. This change removes a key security feature that allowed only users to access their information. Now, Apple can retrieve certain user data, like iMessages, and share it with authorities if needed. Many users are understandably concerned, especially with rising data breach issues. Andrew Crocker from the Electronic Frontier Foundation criticized this decision, while cybersecurity expert Professor Ollie Buckley warned it weakens iCloud security. This move follows the launch of advanced data protection in late 2022, which aimed to enhance user privacy. However, earlier plans for full encryption were abandoned due to pressure from the FBI in the United States. As governments push for access to encrypted communications, this raises important questions about the balance between privacy and national security. What does this mean for your data security in today's digital world?
New bat coronavirus discovery raises concerns. A new bat coronavirus discovery could change our understanding of COVID-19. Researchers in Wuhan, Hubei Province, China, have identified HKU5-CoV2, a virus that shares similarities with SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19. This raises important questions about its potential to infect humans in the future. While HKU5-CoV2 doesn't attach to human cells as easily, it still poses a risk we shouldn't overlook. The study highlights a feature called the furin cleavage site, which helps the virus enter human cells through the ACE2 receptor. In lab tests, HKU5-CoV2 successfully infected human cells with high ACE2 levels. Following this news, the stock prices of COVID-19 vaccine companies like Pfizer, Moderna, and Novavax increased. Dr. Osterholm, an infectious disease expert at the University of Minnesota, described the public's reaction as overblown, noting that many people have immunity against similar viruses. While HKU5-CoV2's ability to attach to human cells is weaker than that of SARS-CoV-2, researchers caution against overstating the risk of this new virus. This discovery adds to ongoing research into coronaviruses from bats and emphasizes the need to understand how these viruses enter human cells for future vaccine development.
That is all the news for today. Thank you for listening to today's headphone news. News summary brought to you by AI.